So pretty much we are going to describe the important events of the last decade. So the first one took place in 1988. It was when the Soviet forces withdrew from Afghanistan in May 15 after 8 years of combat. The second one is in 1991. It was the end of the Cold War. The Cold War was a conflict between the Soviet Union and the United States, and it ended because of the dissolution of the Soviet Union. And the third event that I decided to discuss was on September 11 of 2001 when Al Qaeda attacked New York City and a lot of people died there. Al Qaeda terrorists hijacked four commercial airlines en route to Los Angeles and San Francisco. American Airlines Flight 11 and United Airlines Flight 175 were flown into the World Trade Center's Twin Towers in New York. So, in response of the questions of the evidence, why did deglobalization emerge? Well, deglobalization emerged because of the necessity of each country to have something that their neighbor did but they didn't. It all began with the communication, and nowadays it is more visible than ever. In most cases, what caused the terrorist attacks of the 20th century? Well, I believe that what caused it was intolerance or perhaps religion. How does the end of the Cold War relate with the unipolar world? Well, the end of the Cold War took place because the Soviet Union dissolved. Let's say that before this happened, it was a bipolar world. There was the side of the Soviet Union and there was the side of United States. But after Cold War ended, it was just the world was just or mainly based on the influence of the United States. How has the digital era influenced today's society? Well, I believe that this led to a society that think everything that they see is true. Also, a society that has more access to information and may develop in a very different surrounding from an environment that before would be like our family, and what our family said was absolute. So now they the people like have an open mind and think by themselves.